Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about the ups and the downs of Boeing stock. And I'm going to be talking about some of the pros and the cons. Okay, let's get right into it. And as you should know, Boeing is the largest airplane manufacturer. And in 2019, they brought in $92.3 billion for the full year. And 49% of their company is from commercial airplanes, and 30% is from defense, space, and security systems, and then 21% is from global services. Boeing is the second biggest contractor with the U.S. government because the U.S. is reliant on them for defense, space, and security. This makes up a good portion of their revenue. The government is heavily reliant on Boeing supplies, and therefore I think they will do everything they can to make sure they do not go bankrupt. Boeing is in no shortage of cash, with $30 billion of cash in short-term investments. They also have a huge backlog of orders, but if you're looking at the negative side, these are both declining. Let's get into some more of the negatives. It is no surprise that as COVID-19 hit, the deliveries plunged as companies started to cancel orders. And more cancellations in June for the 737 MAX jet were removed, and 123 orders from the backlog last month. More than 737 MAX jet orders have disappeared from the backlog in the first 5 months of 2020, which is insane. And Boeing's backlog is only at 4,552, down from 5,900 at the beginning of last year. That is a huge decrease in backlog orders. Boeing burnt through $4.7 billion in cash in the first quarter, and they have gone from $14 billion in cash a year and a half ago to now $64 billion. This will take years to pay off and could keep them from paying their dividends from roughly 4 to 5 years. My opinion on Boeing is that they have too much debt, and therefore they will not be paying their dividend for future years, and they will take too long to recover even if there is a vaccine shortly. Made it this far. If you could drop a thumbs up, thank you for listening, and see you next time.